killdeer. It's acting all, it's trying to get me away from its eggs. So it's got a nest right here somewhere. Let me pause it. Come on, buddy. Yeah, they lay their eggs in these rocks like pebbles, and then if you get anywhere close to them, or any animal does, they run around acting like they've got a broken wing to try to distract you, to draw you away from their eggs. So let me see here. Let me stop this. Get out of here for a second. There it goes. But seems that it was right here when I saw it. I wouldn't doubt if its eggs are right here close. There, many times I've looked for their eggs. Try to be gentle. Definitely don't want to step on them. But I normally don't find them unless I sit back and watch the bird as it's if it doesn't know I'm there. Have like speckled eggs that look just about like these rocks. Say it's called a killdeer. The bird is. And I'm looking, but got something I need to go do. I don't have time to hang out here and look for bird eggs, but I might get back to you on this one. Kind of interesting. Let's see, where's Mama? I don't see her right now. There, maybe way over there. Too far to see with this camera. All I've got is my phone. So. Anyway, that's it for now.